Alright, so I'm back again. Here's Soup. It's Soup's World. So now, tonight, I'm going to do a little quick overview on a rifle that means a little bit to me. This is my M16a4 clone. Reason it means so much is I carried the M16a4 in Iraq in 2003 during the invasion of I didn't carry this exact model. This is a PSA one that I built. I currently use it as an automatic rifle, I guess you could call it. The idea is, in case I need to lay down suppressive fire, I have this fun little toy. It has the heavier barrel. It does have the full 20-inch AR-15 barrel. The rail system is an actual Knight's Armament rail system that I had left over from when I was in the Army. Harris bipod legs, cool guy gangster grip. I had acquired a couple of those. The rest of the kit is a PSA, Palmetto State Armory kit. The optic on top is a Vortex Strike Eagle, 1:6 variable. The riser is actually the small riser off of the CZ Scorpion bullpup kit. Added a tack light, little heat hand shield here, a Beta CMAG, and then on this side, pretty simple, just a little red dot that I got off of Amazon for I think like 40 bucks. I built the kit for myself, or I should say I assembled the kit after buying all the parts. It does have safe, semi, and it does have a binary trigger in it. Like I said, the whole purpose of this was a build for me to essentially remember back to what I carried when I was in Iraq. I actually carried a M203 on the bottom, but those aren't the easiest to come by nowadays. So instead I went with the automatic rifle version. I actually have the Elcan M145. I bought this off of eBay. It's not a bad sight. This is what I actually carried on my M16 when I was in Iraq. Our saw gunner didn't like it, so I borrowed it from him and used it. But that's, 2003 technology. I thought I'd update to a newer version. But, yep, this is essentially, breaks down like any other AR-15. I have a couple of thousand rounds through it. Then ammo got expensive, and well, once ammo gets expensive, shooting isn't as good as it was back in the Army. I did add a, as you can see down here, the muzzle brake. I can't remember what company I got it from, but it vents to the sides so that it will keep the gun more level, so you don't get that. You'll get more of a left-right than an up and down recoil pattern. The 100-round drum would go on the weapon to start. So essentially, the carry configuration for the gun would be like this: the 100-round drum. Then once whoever was carrying the weapon, after they ran out of that 100 rounds, they just drop the drum and go to a regular 30-round stick mag. Vortex Strike Eagle, pretty straightforward. It's a 1x6 with a quick detach, so that in case something does happen, you can just pop this off. The red dot is on there, so that if you do have to do any kind of close-in work, instead of just flipping this, spinning it around to the 1 power back to the 6, you can literally just cant to the side and put rounds down range. When I first got this, I was walking around with it and stuff, and I was talking to my wife. I said, how the hell did I carry one of these things in combat? After using an M4 and my CZ Bren 2 with a 14.5-inch barrel, this thing in the Army, we called it a musket. But yeah, it actually also says right here on it, let's see if I can get zoomed in here. There we go. Let's zoom in a little more here. That's, I guess, as far as it's going to let me zoom in. As you can see, it actually says, property United States Army, M16a4. It has the safe, semi, and actually has, the burst, which is kind of cool. Over time, once I get a little more cash, and hopefully, the gun world changes up some, I'd like to get rid of the handguard and the bipod legs and put an M203 on the bottom there. Get rid of the, or maybe I'll just build a whole different one and put a 203 on the bottom, and then hang it over the fireplace, But hopefully you guys like the video. I'm hoping to be able to get out and get some shooting done here within the next, hopefully a couple of days. Wife has tomorrow off, so maybe we'll go and do some shooting. But all right, thank you very much for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and that like video. Make sure to make a comment, tell me if I'm doing a good job, a bad job. All right, thank you very much. Have a good one.